So to get started with, we're going to take a look at the project tab. Basically, just go over the basic hierarchy and the structure for the project itself. You'll notice that we have on the project tab here, we have a folder called Mario. If you go inside the folder, you'll notice that you do have one for art. You have one for music, particles, prefabs, scenes, scripts, and shaders. The main ones that we'll go ahead and take a look at are going to be the ones that's going to be for art. The art one is going to have an animation. The animation folder is basically, it's not to store animations of characters, it's to store animations from within our animation toolset within Unity. These are going to be pieces that we're going to use for the project. The other part is going to be models. We'll have materials, models, and textures. Now all of this is our base files, meaning that the files that we'll actually use throughout the project will be stored inside of prefabs. We've already made all the prefabs for you, so you don't have to go through all the challenges of making all of those. You'll notice that inside of characters, you have the ball and chain character right here. You also have the bombs, the Goombas, the Mario, missile launchers, plants, plant eater, and Yoshi. So it has a basic setup for a lot of the characters that are within the Mario universe. If you're wanting to just kind of continue with the theme itself and follow through with it. The ones that we'll focus on, though, they're going to be similar to like we focused on the 2D game, which will be the Goomba and Mario. We'll also take a look at doing an NPC style, just a Yoshi following a path system, and some animated plants. Along with those, you'll notice that we have scene objects. Now, what you may notice is the list for scene objects is pretty long. There's actually quite a lot of prefabs for developing inside of the Mario world, so this is definitely a set to just really have fun with. Along with the scene objects are also pickups, and the pickups are basically things such as the extra lives and the keys and the coins for Mario. Alright, and then inside of scenes, inside of the scene option, you notice we have 10 different scenes. We'll be taking a look at each one just kind of broken down individually, and then towards the end, which you'll notice which is this scene right here. This will be the final example scene with all the parts and pieces included into it. Alright, the other part is going to be our scripts. You'll notice that the scripts that we currently have here, these are going to be all the ones that we'll be looking at, as well as programming. Alright, so this is the major part of the project itself. And next thing that we'll do is start taking a look at scene 1, where we'll go ahead and start working our way through what Mario character can do. And after we look at what he can do, then we'll start creating and developing from there.